Hello, Abhishek VS here. Welcome to ABM Sports. Uh, Day 14 has been a great day for any sports lover. Indian men's hockey team have created history. We have regained the top spot in highest number of Olympic medals in men's hockey today. In total, since the inception of modern Olympics, we have 12 Olympic medals in men's hockey. The second highest is 11 by Germany. So this is one of the best day in Indian sports history, where we are leading in the number of medals that have been achieved. So congrats to Graham Reid and Manpreet led team. This is really a greatest achievement for them. I hope there is no starting from here, or there is nothing to drop, and hope they take things and run, so that next we have Asian Games that is coming up in 2022, followed by 2023 World Cup that will happen in Bhubaneswar and Rourkela, and then 2024 Paris Olympics. So action-packed years are coming, and Indian men's hockey will keep growing, and I hope we win the World Cup as well. That will mark the resurgence curve complete, and again Paris 2024, we are definitely going to be in finals. So that's how Indian hockey has shaped up today. Ravi Dahiya in 57 kg men's wrestling, he lost to Uguev of Russia in the finals. Russian was formidable today, and Ravi Dahiya didn't mince his words and said he was second best, and he deserved a silver medal. Nevertheless, a silver is also a good medal, and we continue the streak of winning medals from wrestling for past 3 Olympics, and this Olympics as well we have won, so that makes it 4. Vinesh Phogat unfortunately lost in quarterfinals against Belarus wrestler, and she waited for a repechage round, but unfortunately the Belarus wrestler didn't get past semi-finals. So Vinesh Phogat medalless run in Olympics continues. I hope 2024 is not too late, so she can again come back over there. Deepak Punia, again he lost a bronze medal bout against San Marino wrestler. Again for him, he is just 21, so 2024 is not far away, so he can definitely come back and get things passed to him. So that's pretty much how the day has been. And in golf, Aditi Ashok continued to stay in number 2 position, and even in Rio she was in T4 position in first 2 rounds, then she lost steam, and I hope in next 2 days she does better. Diksha is at 53rd position, and I hope she improves position as well. In 20 kilometers walk, we had Irfan, Rahul and Sandeep. Sandeep finished 23rd, Irfan 51 and Rahul at 47. All 3 finished the race, so good performance. We didn't expect much, but 23 is not a bad result, and I hope we build from here. So that's pretty much what has happened today, and apart from that, we did have one more defeat where Anshu Malik got defeated in the first round of repechage, and she is just 19, so Asian Games, Commonwealth and Paris is around the corner, so she can definitely come back. So that's how the day has been. Let's see what is scheduled for tomorrow, and I hope we do tomorrow better. On day 15, we have at 2 a.m. Midnight, we have Gurpreet Singh in 50 kilometers walk. So that is one more long distance athletic event that's going to happen. At 4 a.m. Aditi and Diksha will be up in action in the round 3. So I hope Aditi continues her form. and she does better in the upcoming two of the rounds. At 7 a.m. we have India versus Great Britain bronze medal match, where Rani-led team will be up against the Britons. We lost 4-1 to Britain in the group stages, so I hope Rani takes her revenge tomorrow. At 8 a.m. we have Bajrang Punia in action in 65 kg. And at 8 a.m. we do have 50 kilograms women's wrestling, where Seema Bisla will be in action. Both of them, it will be round of 16. At 1 p.m. we have Priyanka Goswami and Bhavna Jatt up in action in 20 kilometers walk. Priyanka Goswami has been in a great form, so she should be able to finish in top 15. Anything below top 15 would be a disappointment, definitely. So I hope she does better. And at 5 p.m. We have men's 4 into 400 meters relay heats, and I hope Mohammad Anas, Arogya Rajiv, Nova Nirmal do better and try to move to semi-finals, and let's hope they can reach the finals as well. Since we have almost touched the 2012 medals tally, and I hope we win 2 more medals, and that will be the highest number of medals that we have achieved in Olympics. Even if we don't touch 2012 tally, still this Olympics will by far remain the breakout and the best Olympic campaign for India since the modern Olympics have started. We have achieved something unique over here. We went into the Olympics with seeded players, and just we have challenged the world. So that itself is one of the greatest feat, and I hope we can still win 3 medals, and I hope we do better. So continue watching Olympics, and let's hope we surpass 2012 medals tally. Do subscribe to my channel and continue to follow me on Twitter for real-time updates on Olympics. Thank you.